There is nothing that emotionally connects us all more than stories. Hello, and welcome to Yuugx's first video. A video is an overwhelming way to bring stories to life, and this one took more than a year and a half to complete. So please, make yourself comfortable and enjoy this story, which is about a full Japanese custom outfit.
So today I will custom a complete outfit, but first I need to know what I'm gonna custom, but it missed something. So I found, and finally got the idea. I'm gonna add a skateboard to this list. Okay, everything is now clear in my mind. So let's find the design of the first one, which is the jacket. Sketch is done, so let's draw it quickly on the jacket. So I roughly put some paint on the jacket to sketch on it with the pencil after. Now we just have to wait until the paint is completely dry. Okay, we are tomorrow, and the jacket is ready. Let's take it and start painting on it. For this, I'm using Posca markers, just because I love them. What you're thinking? Who's this guy? What the hell is he talking about? What kind of content is he making? What the hell am I watching this? This guy comes from nowhere. Who is this? I don't know. But at least I can say this. Welcome to my world. Welcome to Yuugx's world.
Are you serious?
What? Now you're judging my work.
It appears that young people allow themselves everything these days.
Oh, calm down. I have to promote myself, no?
It is shameful.
Well, let's continue where we left off. So, after the jacket, I need to find a design for the pants. On the first side, I'm gonna do a Japanese dragon, which represents anger. In opposition with that anger, I'm gonna represent the serenity of the koi carp. But let me explain why I chose this idea.
Should I start speaking?
If you're not still angry. Yes, go on, mate.
Every year on the third moon, thousands of koi carp leave the ocean to find a way up to the Yellow River. They struggle against the strong current, defying predators and the force of the current. before arriving at the Dragon Gate. The current is said to be so strong that it strikes like the arrows of 100 warriors. To succeed in this course, the Carp must face many obstacles. Only the most daring ones can manage to reach the top of these waterfalls. Then they are transformed into dragons.
That was the main idea for this part of the custom.
Should I speak again?
It is your time to shine.
Okay. Then...
Whoa, that was really good. Back at it with the shoes. I'm doing some research to find the best pair of shoes for a custom, and I'm gonna grab them on the city where I live. Here it is. Let's unbox them. For the design of the pair of shoes, I decided to go with a double opposition. First one is the sun versus the moon, and the second one the samurai versus the geisha. So at this point of the video, we made the jacket, the pant, and the shoes. So let's do the skateboard. On the first place, I need to sand it, spray paint it, and draw on it. Okay, all of this is finished, but let me put my lofi mixtape I did a while back ago. Let's put the colors using some Posca markers again. Time for the Beanie. And for this one, I'ma keep it simple. I'm just gonna put the logo of my brand on it. Well, I did not talk about my brand.
Yes?
That is your other time to shine.
Okay. Have you ever thought that you might not exist? Have you ever thought that all your senses might be deceived? That you can't tell if you exist or not? Don't you believe that everything you see, everything you touch, everything you taste or hear or even smell might be an illusion?
By the time I speak, I'm the only one wearing my brand. But who knows? This project might come in a few years. You shall wait for the illusion. Anyway, if I do a quick recap on what we have now, we have the jacket, the pant, the shoes, the skates, and the beanie. So I guess I can drop the reveal. Thank you, voice.
You're welcome, son.